Hey everyone, welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. Today we're going to be working on a Toro lawnmower, zero turn. It's my neighbor's. It's got a 22 horse, 22.5 horse motor on it. It's the series SS4225. He's been having a lot of problems with this thing clunking out on him. He's replaced the fuel filter numerous of times, and it works for a day, and then the next time he uses it, it dies. And it's only like when it's on a half a tank of gas. So today I'm gonna put in a new fuel pump. It's right here, the new one. It's just 3 hoses, 2 bolts, should be really easy. So I'm going to change it out. I'm not going to be able to test drive this. I'm not really too good on the zero turns. I don't want to wreck anything. So I'm going to have him do it when he comes back. So let's see how we can get started on this. It should be pretty easy. I'll try to keep you guys you can see the process. I'm going to take the hoses off first, but I'm going to pinch this one off, and because that's the main fuel line. Don't want to crimp it too hard. There, that should be good. Now I'm going to try to do this without removing the gas tank. They don't give me a lot of room. Maybe what I need to do is use this, and then I can use my needle nose to undo the hoses. Or I might just have to take it off first and then do it. All right, let's try it. Let's see if I can get in here. This one seems to be easier to get to. Yeah, right. These lawnmowers are just getting like cars. You have to take a whole bunch of stuff apart to get to everything. There we go. Got that one. Let's see how this one goes. And then I got this one down here. Good times and fun. Yeah. Maybe I'm gonna try taking the pump off and then see if I can get any room doing that. So this is a size 10 metric wrench. There's one on top and one on the bottom. Just got to be careful when you order the parts that you're ordering the right, because there's so many out there that you think this was the right one and it's not. I had thought so and it wasn't. And then I went on the internet and I was able to find the model number for this fuel pump. All right, so So it looks like it's gonna give me a little more breathing room. All right, the 2 screws are out. Now let's see what we can do here. Oh yeah, most definitely. This is a lot better. Got that one off. Sorry, I got the shakes. I don't know. A lot of times my shaking is because I'm so excited that I'm able to get things done, and I get a little rambunctious. So bear with me if you think, you know. But I can paint this, you know, straight line and stuff like that, or not a straight line, but you know what I mean, like trim work and stuff like that, no problem. Got that one almost off the clamp. All right, so let's make sure we got the right, so it's this one, and this one. So we're gonna pull this one off. Put that one on, like so. That's the main fuel line. Nope. Did I put it on wrong? Yep. That other one can't. Did that other one come off already? Where did that other one go? Oh, there it is right here. No. That one's there. Yeah, I put it on the wrong one. That would really give them problems, right? Because the fuel line. Okay, so. Yeah. It's like this. Okay, I'm just double checking my work. Nothing wrong with double checking your work. There. Now this is the old one. Got a little fuel in there. All right. Let's put the clamps back on. And then I'll see if I can start it once. that one. Got that one. One more. All right, got them in place. Let's put the pump back in place. Like I said, they don't give you much room, but I've had worse. All right, let's get this snugged up. And you don't have to really crank on this because it's only plastic, just to snug it up. See, just like that, nothing too extreme. Look at this bottom one done. A little bit more. A little more snugging. All right. Let's try it out. I'm not sure. I mean, I'm gonna see. I've been on these before, but we'll just see how it is. I'm gonna give it a crank start once and see. That's neutral. Choke. Empty. I know he was getting gas. not much, I can see there's not much in there. So I will leave it to that and then leave it up to him on, he can always get back with me. So, all right. Like I said, does he have, let's see, does he have gas? But I don't want to put something in there that I'm not sure of. Yeah, he's got gas there, but I don't want to put something in the engine and wreck it later. So I will let him know that it's fixed, and we'll go from there. Appreciate everybody watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I know I have people looking at my videos, but nobody subscribes. I don't know why. I know I've been on this for about a year now, and I'm not complaining, but I'm getting more Instagram people following me than I have subscribers. So again, and you can also follow me on Instagram too. So, all right, this should do it. Talk to you later.